I want to thank you for joining us this morning. We do have one system we want to hit on coming up towards this weekend, but basically leading you into that forecast this coming the rest of this work week. It looks very nice actually, with temperatures well into the 60s. We'll have some 70s, warming up into the 70s in the southern part of central Alabama. Dry weather, nighttime temperatures, we'll have some 30s out there, but a lot of 40s as well. So for the rest of this work week and even going into Saturday, it looks very nice. Now, like I said, we do have one system we're watching very closely, and I'll see if I can get to that. There we go. All right, we're going to have a pretty powerful storm system that's going to begin to develop, probably the middle of the weekend. It'll start transitioning across the central plains. In this graphic here, you can see that the surface cold front and the low pressure center is over parts of Missouri and Arkansas, and as well as Oklahoma. And this graphic is valid for 6 a.m. Sunday. So we'll have some southerly flow and some moisture developing across the deep south as this cold front approaches. And as we get into Sunday evening and perhaps Monday morning, especially early Monday morning, late Sunday evening, this cold front will approach and move through the state. And here you see the time valid is 6 a.m. Monday, and it's currently projected to be pushing into or out of southeast Alabama at that point. Now, what we're going to see here is some type of squall line setup develop with some strong thunderstorms, possibly severe thunderstorms developing along the front and ahead of the front, as you typically see this time of the year. Also going to see some heavy rainfall with some 2-inch totals possible in the western half of the state. The system probably weakens a little bit as it moves through central Alabama into southeast Alabama. So the greatest potential for severe storms, as is usual with all these events this time of the year, is going to be in the northwestern corner of the state, the northwestern part of our CWA, Marion, Winston, Lamar. We'll be watching closely as the line develops and moves towards Alabama. We're not currently outlooked for any kind of severe storms. We're waiting to see how this thing transitions over the next couple of days. There's some timing inconsistencies with the models, so we're not ready to pinpoint it down just yet. But again, the best timing right now would be sometime later into Sunday and perhaps Monday morning. So to sum this up, we've got this storm system approaching. We do have some timing issues. Again, we're looking Sunday evening into Monday morning. There's going to be a threat of some heavy rain, and there's also the threat of some severe thunderstorms along and ahead of the squall line. And we can't rule out anything this time of the year. It looks like the wind fields are going to be rather impressive, so tornadoes would be a possibility with these storms. All right, so that'll sum up the briefing part of this, so I'll open it up to questions at this time.